Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Squared Grade 3 Module 1 Topic B. So let's get started. This topic is about understanding the concept of division. So we'll practice grouping things together and finding out the number of groups and the number of items in each group. So here we have the little explanation. Use the pictures to help you fill in the blanks. Number 1, there are 12 carrots in equal groups. So altogether, there's 12 carrots here. A, the total number is 12. The number in each group is 4 because they're separated into 3 groups. In each group, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 carrots. And the number of groups is 1, 2, 3 groups. Okay, so pretty simple. Now, number 2, there are 18 flowers, circle groups of 6 flowers. So, groups of 6, that means that each group has 6 flowers. That does not mean make 6 groups, because it's groups of 6. So, circle groups of 6 flowers. And now there are 3 groups of 6, so circle 2 correct statements. 3 is a number of equal groups. That's true because there's 3 groups. 6 is a number of equal groups. That's false. 6 is the number of flowers in each group. And that's what it says right here, and this is the true. Alright, and now remember, number 3. Circle the best unit and tool to measure the length of the alarm clock. So the length of the alarm clock, we know an alarm clock is around like this big. So the best unit to use is inches, since it's already about the length of 1 foot, and yard is not even a yard. So inches would be a realistic and idealistic thing to use, and inch tile would be the one you want to use. Okay. So let's get started on our lesson. This is lesson 6. Use the pictures to help you fill in the blanks. Number 1, there are 10 flowers in equal groups. The total number is 10. That's how many flowers there are. The number in each group, we see that it's divided into 2 groups. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each group. So the number in each group is 5. Now the number of equal groups is 2, since they're divided into half. Alright, so pretty simple. Now let's move on to number 2. There are 15 clovers. Circle groups of 5 clovers. So groups of 5. Remember that means circle 5 clovers as one group, not circle 5 groups. So let's count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so we see here, there are 3 groups of 5. So see, circle 2 correct statements. 3 is the number in each group. That's false, because there's 5 in each group. But 5 is the number in each group. That is true. Now, 3 is the number of equal groups. That is true because there's 3 groups. So that means that next one is false. Okay. Next page. Remember, number 3, circle the best unit and tool to use to measure the length of the bus. So we know a bus is usually pretty big, so it would not be a realistic option to use inches to measure, because you would go on and on and on. Now foot, well, it's better to use foot than inches, but I think we should use yards for this one, since it makes sense to use yards to measure a bus. And the tool we should use is a yardstick, since we're using yards. Okay? Alright, now let's move on to lesson 7. Alright, so lesson 7, Number 1, there are 18 pairs. They are in 3 equal groups. How many pairs are in each group? So A, they're asking, what are you trying to find? Circle it. So they already tell us that there's 3 equal groups. So we already know the number of groups. But now, how many pairs are in each group? So what they're trying to find out is the number in each group. So this would be the correct option that we're trying to find out. Now B says draw to show the pairs equally shared in 3 groups. Well, you can first draw 3 big circles to show 3 groups, and then you can count to 18. So add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and keep going until you reach 18. So this way you'll make sure there's equal amounts in each group. Alright, and now C says fill in the blanks to match your drawing. The total is 18 because the total amount of pairs is 18. Now the number in each group is 6, since there's 6 pairs in each group, as we can see here, and the number of groups is 3. So they're separated into 3 equal groups. Alright, so pretty simple. Now let's see here. Use the read, draw, write process to solve the problem. Jayla throws a football 39 yards. Deepa throws a football 12 fewer yards than Jayla. How many total yards are the 2 footballs thrown? Alright, so we can do a tape diagram like they did here. 39 yards, and Deepa threw 12 yards fewer than Jayla. So first step is to do 39 minus 12 yards, and that'll give you 27. So that's how much Deepa threw. That's how far Deepa threw the football. And then it's asking how many total yards the 2 footballs were thrown. So you need to add Jayla's distance and Deepa's distance, and you'll get 66. So that would be your answer. Alright, let's move on to the actual lesson 7. Number 1, there are 20 plums. They are in 4 equal groups. How many are in each group? So A, what are you trying to figure out? Circle it. So let's start with what we know. There's 20 total plums, and they're in 4 equal groups. So we know they're separated into the number of groups, since it's 4. So how many are in each group? So what we're trying to figure out is how many pairs are there in the 4 equal groups. So, which is also the number in each group. So this is what we're trying to figure out. Alright, now B says draw to show the plums equally shared in 4 groups. So what we can do first is draw the 4 groups. 2, 3, 4. And we know there's 20, so we can keep counting until we reach 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we reached 20, so now we know that we equally separated them into 4 groups. And C, fill in the blanks to match your drawing. The total is 20 plums, and the number in each group is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of groups is 4 equal groups. So that's it. Alright, now number 2. There are 15 sticks. A, draw to show the sticks divided into 3 equal groups. Alright, so I'm going to do like this. 1, 2, 3 groups. And we can count until we reach 15. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So how many sticks are in each group? We reached 15, so we know we separated them equally. So now we can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 sticks in each group. Alright, and now over here, use the redraw right process to solve the problem. For 3, the length of Pablo's hallway rug is 91 centimeters. His bathroom rug is 60 centimeters shorter than the hallway rug. What is the total length of Pablo's hallway rug and the bathroom rug? Okay, so let's start with what we know. The hallway rug is 91 centimeters, and I'll label this H for hallway. Now the bathroom rug, B for bathroom, we don't know how long it is, but what we do know is that it is 60 centimeters shorter than the hallway rug. So first we need to find out the length of the bathroom rug. To do that, we can do 91 minus 60. So you just subtract 6 tenths and that'll give you 31. So it's 31 centimeters. But it's asking for the total length of the hallway rug and the bathroom rug. So since we know both measurements, what we can do is add it up. So 91 plus 31. Let's do this vertically. 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 122 is our answer. And now reply to the problem. The total length of Pablo's hallway rug is 122 centimeters. Oh, you know, the Pablo's hallway rug and bathroom rug is 122 centimeters. Alright, so yeah, pretty simple. Now let's move on to lesson 8. So this is the explanation part. Fill in the blanks to match the array. Number 1, there are 15 soccer balls in equal rows. So the number in each row is 3. Since we know rows are horizontal, so this is a row, this is a row, this is a row, this is a row, this is a row. And in each row there's 1, 2, 3 soccer balls. The number of rows is 5 since there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So the total amount of soccer balls is 15. And if we divide 15 by the number in each row, which is 3, then we'll get 5, which is the number of rows. So same thing if we do 15 divided by 5, then 15 divided by 5, we would also get 3. So, got it together. Alright, so now number 2. Liz puts 18 trophies on 3 shelves. She puts an equal number of trophies on each shelf. How many trophies does Liz put on each shelf? So draw an array to represent the problem. 18 trophies on 3 shelves. So 3 shelves, we can think of that as 3 rows. And to find the equal number of trophies on each shelf, we can keep adding until we reach 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So basically add a circle at a time in each row until you reach 18. So B says write a division equation to represent the problem. Well, 18 trophies divided by 3 on divided by 3 shelves, so that's 6 per shelf. Liz put 6 trophies on each shelf. Alright, and now number 3. Complete each statement and write a related repeated addition equation. Circle rows. Alright, so a row is horizontal, so here we have 2 rows. 2 rows of 6, since there's 6 in each row. So 2 rows of 6 is 12. And if you add the number in each row, 6 plus 6, that will also give you 12. Now circle columns. So a row is a horizontal group, but a column is a vertical group. So this is a column, and this is a column, and they're all columns. We have 6 columns of 2, since there's 2 in each column. So total is 12. And you can add each column, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that is equal to 12. Okay. Alright, so now let's start with lesson 8. Fill in the blanks to match the array. Number 1, there are 12 keys in equal rows. A, the number in each row is, so first let's circle the rows. Remember, rows are horizontal, so this is a row, and this is a row. Okay, so the number in each row is 1, 2, 3 keys. The number of rows, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. So the total is 12 divided by 3, which is a number in each row, and that will give us 4, which is the number of rows. Alright, number 2. Carla hangs 10 pictures on the wall. She hangs the pictures in 12 equal rows. How many pictures does Carla put in each row? Alright, so let's see, draw an array to represent the problem. 10 pictures and 2 equal rows. So we know there's gonna be 2 rows. So we can keep drawing circles until we reach 10. We can add a line in between to help us. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so B, write a division equation to represent the problem. Alright, so kind of like what we did up here, we're going to do it down here. So the total number is 10, because 10 is the total number of pictures, divided by the number in each row, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that will give us 2 equal rows. So, also Carla puts 5 pictures in each row. And you can also do 10 divided by the 2 rows to get 5 in each row. So they're going to be the same. They're going to match up. So Carla eventually puts 5 pictures in each row. Alright, now over here, complete each statement and write a related repeated addition equation. Number 3, circle rows. A row is horizontal. So this is 1 row, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, since there's 5 in each row. So 4 rows of 5 is 20 total strawberries. And we can add them up. So 4 rows there's 5 in each row. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That's 10, another 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So there's 20 strawberries. Now circle columns. A column is vertical. So this is a column. This is a column. This is a column. This is a column. And this is a column. Alright, so 5 columns. There's 5 columns of 4, and that's 20. And there's 5 columns of 4 because there's 4 in each column. So 4 in each column, we can add that up 5 times for the 5 columns. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 would give us 20 total strawberries. Alright, and now let's move on to lesson 9, and this is the explanation part. Use the read, draw, write process to solve each problem. Number 1. David puts 24 jars in a box. He puts the jars in 3 equal rows. How many jars does he put in each row? So if you look down here, you can see what they did. They made 3 rows, so 3 rows, and then they keep drawing circles in each group until they count to 24. And that's how they got 24 divided by 3 rows is 8. So that means there's 8 jars in each row. Alright, and another example, number 2. Oka puts 36 party favors into bags. She puts 4 party favors in each bag. How many bags does Oka use? So down here, they made groups of 4 until they reached 36. So they had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and it kept on going until they reached 36. And the reason why they didn't first make groups and then count and put the dots in groups is because this is different. Before, in the other problem, we were trying to figure out the number in each group. But this problem, they already given us that. 4 party favors in each bag. So here we already knew how much it was in each group, but we did not know the total number of groups. So you gotta, when you read the problem carefully, you gotta make sure you know what it is that you know and what you're looking for. So now, add, show how you know. Number 3, 34 plus 16. So what they did, it's easier to add a number that ends in a 0. And we know 16 is 4 away from 20. So what they did here, they broke apart 34 into 30 and 4, and 16 to 10 and 6. So what they did here was they took apart the 10s and the 1s. So they add the 10s first, right here, just 30 and 10, and that gives them 40. And then they add the 1s separately. Might look a little confusing, but they add the 1s separately, 4 and 6, which gave them 10. So now we add 40 plus 10, which is 50. So that's the answer to 34 plus 16. Alright, so now let's get started on lesson 9. Use the read, draw, write process to solve each problem. So RDW. Number 1, Pablo and Casey play a game with 20 cards. They put the cards in 4 equal rows. How many cards are in each row? So we know the number of groups, but we don't know how many in each group. So let's make 4 rows. One, 2, 3, 4. 20 cards. Okay, so let's start drawing. This is 1. And it's very important you count along the way to make sure that we reach 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we reached 20. So now we know how many cards are in each row. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write our division sentence. There is 20 cards total divided by 4 equal rows. And that will give us 5 in each row. So that means there are 5 cards in each row. Okay? Now, number 2, a farmer puts 15 pigs into pens. He puts 3 pigs in each pen. Now, how many pens does the farmer use? Alright, so let's start with what we know. We know the total number of pigs, which is 15. We know the number in each group, which is 3. So what we don't know is how many pens does the farmer use. So let's just start by drawing 3 at a time. So this is what we can do. We can do 1, 2, 3, next group. Because we know there's only 3 in each pen. 4, 5, 6. How's the box though? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Alright, so we reached 15. So how many pens does the farmer use? Let's write our division problem. So 15 total pigs divided by 3 in each pen. And that will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total pens. That means the farmer uses 5 pens. Alright, now let's move on. So add, show how you know. Number 3, 22 plus 68. Alright, so let's break this down like how they did in the explanation. 22, I'm going to write it separately here. 22 plus 68. Alright, so the first step that they did was they broke apart the 10s and the 1s. And they added that separately, and then they added the final number together. So 22 and 68, so what we do here, let's break apart 22, break it in a number bond. So 2 and 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. And then 68, gotta take out 8 1s and 6 10s. So, alright, so now what do we do here? 22, 68. We add the 10 separately. 20 plus 60 is 80. And then, after we get 80, we do 2 and 8. We add the 1 separately. Alright, so this might look a little confusing, but once you understand the concept, it's pretty simple. 22 plus 68, take out the 10 and the 1s. 22. So you're separating the 10s and the 1s. And you're adding the 10 separately and then the 1 separately. 20 plus 60 is 80. And we drew these little arms to connect them. And then 2 and 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. So that's where it goes right here. And now what do we do with 80 and 10? We add them together. So then 80 plus 10, draw another arm to connect those two together. 80 plus 10, and that will give us 90. So 90 is the answer to 22 plus 68. And yeah, so if you look at this kind of diagram thing, you can kind of understand it where the arms connect, and that's how the number is getting added up. So yeah. And that is it for grade 3 module 1 topic B. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps out my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.